Women using rice water hair resin are seeing faster hair growth in just 14 days. Many women want long, thick, and shiny hair, but hair fall and slow hair growth are very common problems. What if I tell you that one simple kitchen ingredient is helping women see faster hair growth in just 14 days? Yes, today we are talking about rice water hair raisins. What is rice water? Rice water is the water left after washing or boiling rice. It is full of vitamins and minerals that are very good for hair. Rice water contains vitamin B, vitamin E, amino acids, or antioxidant. These nutrients make hair strong and healthy. Why rice water helps hair grow faster? Rice water helps in many ways. It strengthens hair roots, it reduces hair fall, it improves blood circulation on the scalp, it makes hair smooth and shiny. Health roots means faster hair growth. Real result in 14 days. Many women say that after using rice water for 2 weeks, hair fall becomes less, hair feels thicker, hair looks shiny and smooth. New baby hair start to appear. Result may be different for everyone, but many people see improvement in just 14 days. How to make rice water hair raisin? Easy method. Take half cup of rice, wash the rice one, remove dirt. Add 2 cups of clean water, soak the rice for 30 minutes. Strain the water into a boil. Your rice water is ready. How to use rice water on hair? First, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Do not use conditioner. Now pour rice water slowly on your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp gently for 5 minutes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with plain water. Often should you use it? Use rice water hair rinse 2 times a week. Do not use it every day. Too much rice water can make hair dry. Best tips for faster result. Always use fresh rice water. Do not store it for many days. If your scalp is dry, mix a little aloe vera gel. If your scalp is oily, use rice water alone. Be consistent for at least 14 days. How should avoid rice water? If you have a very sensitive scalp, do a patch test first. If itchings or irritations happens, stop using it. Final thoughts: rice water is natural, easy, and very affordable. Many women are seeing healthier and longer hair in just 14 days. If you are tired of expensive hair product, try this simple hair essence. If you find this videos helpful, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more natural beauty tips.